Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm so excited to record this video because I am doing this video after a so long time, and I'm so much excited to share with you what I have learned so far in the days I was not doing my videos. And today I'll be telling you very good concept which I have learned. Now I want to tell you how I realized this concept. Just few days back, one friend of mine had come to my house just for a visit, and actually I had invited her. She had come to drop me, so I just told her to come. Let's have a tea or coffee. And then, if you know me personally, you know how is my house. Like, it's very messy. And that day, same thing happened. It was all mess around, and I happened to feel little ashamed that my house is so messy and she is coming at my house for the very first time. And I felt it bad, but I could not help it out because I had entered the house the same time and she had come. Like, I had come along with her. So I just felt it fine. But we just had good time, we spoke, and then when she left, I just happened to realize that why is it like this? Why is my house so messy all the time? So I started watching videos how to clean my house or how to be organized. And then I come across one good video. I don't remember whose it is, but I do remember one line from that video was something I want to discuss in this video right now, because that same thing I applied in my other areas too and I got the result. Okay, just breaking the ice. Now, what was that word? It is just saying I deserve, just adding this word deserve. So, whenever you're doing something and if you're not feeling like doing it, and you're not very consistent, no matter how much you have tried doing that thing over and over again, but things are not happening, things are just happening the way it has been done from the past. And what is the word you can use over here, and it has really a good power because I have experimented it in my all other areas too, and I have got the result also. I'll just tell you everything. So I just said that I deserve to live in a clean house, because this is the thing which I heard it from that video. And she said, so she just told a lot of the things that how you should be taking on with your cleaning work, like when you just come from home, come from office, when you just come from office, what things you should be doing. All these things I just heard from that video. But one thing which stuck with me is this one word, that I deserve. Many a time we do the things but we don't feel like we deserve doing it, and we do it half-heartedly. We do it just for the sake of doing it, but we never say that we deserve these things. For example, the very thing what I started doing was I said to myself that I deserve to live in a clean house. The next moment I did was I started cleaning my house. Literally, I took the efforts, I took the initiative to start cleaning. And from that moment onwards, I started cleaning. I made sure that whenever I'm cooking, also, I'm doing cleaning at the side. Like, whenever things are being boiling up, I'm just doing the things of cleaning the counter, washing the dishes. Like this, I started doing. But when I said this to myself that I deserve to live in a clean house, I actually started rewarding myself the clean house by actually doing that thing. Now, same thing when I just applied to my other area. For example, I said that I deserve to live a healthy life. When I just said this to myself, what is the next thing I did in the next day? When I was just going for my college, what I did was I bought just fruits for me. Seriously, I did that. I just bought fruits so that I can eat it in the meal time whenever I feel hungry. But all this while, what I was doing is I was thinking that I should be healthy. But I used to never take actions like this. Like, I could have done this way of just buying the stuff for me, which is in result it's very healthy. So that day I just happened to buy fruits from me, and from that day I just realized that yes, there is such a good power in this word, that I deserve something. So whenever you say that you deserve something, you start acting that you should be doing those things. You just not only think that okay, you should be cleaning the house or you should be exercising, but in your mind you are not so much confident with that concept that you should be actually doing it. You're not giving a purpose in your life that you should be doing it. But when you say you deserve, that means you tell okay, if you deserve, that means you have to do it. So there is no other way around. So if you just add that one word, that is deserve, you actually start doing the things. So okay, that is second area in which I applied that concept. In the third area, where I said I deserve to be a good researcher. Just I never imagined that I will say the same words to me for myself. So when I was in college, I was just recollecting this word and the effect of this. I just happened to realize that I applied it in my health area also, that I want to be, or I deserve to be a healthy person. So I just happened to think, okay, why not in research area then? So I just said to myself, I deserve to be a good researcher. And the very next thing what I did is I just asked my colleague, how should I publish my research? Yes, I did it. Like I really asked my colleague, how should I do my research or how should I publish my research? Because since I'm pursuing my PhD, I am supposed to present one paper or publish one paper in before I come to the next presentation. So I never thought of those things that I should be doing it, but just because I said this word, I really it just acting I started acting to that thought. I just started implementing whatever I could do for getting success of that thought, that how will I deserve to be a researcher. So yes, that happened. I just asked her, and then she told me all these things, like I should be actually ready with my paper, and then I should be starting with searching for the good journal, all these things. Okay, so this is what is the effect or the power of this word, that I deserve something, and you automatically start doing the things. Same thing I just told my other colleagues also. There is a very good colleague of mine whose name is Siddhi. She is also very much interested in this type of thing. So sometime on and off, I just tell her the things. And I told her that day the same concept, that I said to myself that I deserve a good health, I got this. I deserve a cleaning house, I started doing it. I deserve a research oriented person to become, then I did all these things. So I just told her, and what she said is there is supposed to be a holiday tomorrow, the next day, and then she said that I deserve a holiday tomorrow. That is what she said, and it was not confirmed that we will be getting a holiday on the next day, but then yes, it fortunately happened that we got holiday. And then she messaged me that I deserve to be holiday, and I manifested it. So whatever I said came true. So here I just end with this video, that if you want to achieve anything in your life, just say it, that you deserve it. You deserve to be a healthy person, or you deserve to live in a luxurious life. Just say it, and you will do something or the other in that area, in that direction. Because I've experienced it in my own life, that I said something, or I said I deserve this, and I started doing the act. See, what happens in the previous concepts is you just tell yourself that you should be keeping everything clean, or you should be very consistent in your health, or you should be very consistent in your exercise. You tell these things, but on and off you do the things. Like you do it one day, the motivation is there for maximum 2 or 3 days, and then fourth day you're just relaxed, you're not doing anything, you don't feel like also doing anything. But on that fifth day also, if you say that I deserve to be a healthy person, automatically and instantly you'll start taking actions on that. Okay, so I hope you got the idea of what I want to tell you, that I deserve, and I really want you to deserve to watch all these videos and implement these things in your real life. And I hope everybody is doing great in their life. If you have any doubt, then please leave a comment. I'll try to solve those problems if I could in the next videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, stay blessed, stay happy. Hare Krishna.